Nicolle, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some really exciting news I want to share with you. We have a new band together. We are Fiárock, and this is...
Hi guys, my name is Dara and I'm the banjo player in the group and I'm from County Tipperary.
Hi everyone, my name is Cianna, I'm from County Cork and I play the concertina in the group.
Hi everybody, my name is Evan and I play the piano. I am from Florida but I live in Texas.
And you guys know me, I'm Nicolle. I play Boron and I will be singing as well in the group. And our name comes from two Irish words. The first one is
Fiárock,
which means February, because our group came together in the month of February. And the second word is
Nicolle,
which is the tradition of night visiting, where people would gather in houses to share music, poetry, song, dance, and just having that community aspect as well. So we're so excited. We've been living in Galway for the past month or so to work on a few projects, bits and bobs, and it's just been really exciting to see how this group has been growing, and all the things that we have prepared for you is really exciting. If you guys would like to see more of Fiárock, please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I will put the links down in the comment box below. This channel, specifically Nicolle, will remain as it is, and I'll keep the Nicolle content here. So if you want to see more of Fiárock, please follow us on social media, and there will be a website. There's a website in the works as well, so keep an eye out for that. And we would love to see you in our social media to follow our journey and our adventures and to see where this goes. We're very excited to share everything with you, and we hope to see you there. Bye!
Bye.